This is going to be an exciting video. In this video, I will show you a free AI powered online tool that can help you write easy to complex programming code for you within few seconds. You will also learn how to make efficient use of this tool to learn to code and write on your project. Let's get started. This tool I will share is uh, uh, is with you is going to be a free tool and does not cost you anything. Must have a good knowledge of programming language. I would like to uh, very clearly state that this video or this AI tool is not going to compromise on your knowledge part, but this is definitely going to enhance the productivity, how you code for your project, and how you can code faster for your project. So here I am going to show you how you can enable the extension for this AI tool inside your Visual Studio and how this tool can help you do your program. But before that, let's start. I do have a program you can see on my screen, and if I go on and write something here, you see that there is a IntelliSense which is already inbuilt in a Visual Studio. What this IntelliSense do, you can see that this gives me an option to choose from so that I can speed up my writing of code. And this is very relevant options it gives me. Let's say if I start with something, if I start writing something, then it gives me the relevant options to choose from. So this is the IntelliSense how it works, and this gives me a chance to write the faster, write the write the code that I am writing in a faster manner. But when you do have this tool available, then this can even make you more productive when it comes to writing a logic, writing a program in your project. So let's get started. Let me show you how you can enable this AI tool. So you have to go to the extensions into your Visual Studio. If you are using newer Visual Studio, either 19, sorry, 2019 or 2022, then you will see that you do have extensions on your menu bar, and you need to go to manage extensions. So once you get into manage extensions, what you need to write in a search is that Codeium, Codeium. And once you write it, you will see this relevant result here. It is created by Codeium itself, and we can see the version and installations of it, and pricing category, it's free of cost. So what you need to do is go and click here, download this extension. I have downloaded. I have to close the Visual Studio and restart it. And when it will ask me, I have to sign in inside Codeium. I have to sign in. This sign up is going to be free of cost, but we need to get sign in into Codeium to start using it. After download and I closed Visual Studio, then installation of Codeium started automatically and it finished successfully. And when the next relaunch of Visual Studio, I can see the sign in option for Codeium. So first I need to get into the signing in and complete the sign in process. Then I can able to use the Codeium. Now I have completed the sign in process and the Codeium AI tool is now ready to be used. So let's get started and try to write some line of code. You can see I have not yet started writing anything, but it is very well suggesting me the next lines of code that can be part of my project. You can see it is very well writing itself the work part variable as well as listing variable as well as it is initiating the open dialog for listing window. Okay, so this is the just uh, the one of the way how Codeium can help you. Now let me start defining something. Dim dt as double. You could see. Let me, yeah. So double dou. You could see that it is suggesting me the value as well for double variable. So this is something which is extra. Codium is helping you on top of the intelligence. So it is also giving you the default value what you can assign when you are declaring a variable. Let me show you something interesting about the Codium. Let me write something on a comment. Write for each loop for bodies. So I do have a line like this, which is commented line. And if I come to the next one, then it is suggesting me something else for a line, but I will start with for each loop itself. Now you can see it is trying to write the entire for each loop for me. It is writing for each body in the base part dot bodies. It is also trying to mention something in the for each function body. So this is what is IntelliSense is helping me. Isn't this a curious? Isn't this a beautiful AI tool that you can use for free? When you use something like Codeium, what it can benefit you if you are a new learner, then you don't need to take care of the syntax part. It will write you the for each loop and it will suggest you which for each loop you can use so that you don't need to go to the browser and search something on Google and then copy the code from there to your project. So this is something that you don't need to do at all because you do have a Codeium and which is going to suggest you what you can write in your code. Know what the exact suggestion that has given by Codeium to me for writing a for each loop on bodies. Now, what else I did? Fetch all faces and edges from body. So I started with the for each loop again for each. Yeah, so you could see that it is suggesting me the next loop, which is not just fetching the faces, but it is also fetching the edges. So if I wanted to accept this suggestion by Codeium, I can simply use a tab button to accept the suggestion. Now you can see this is the beauty of having Codeium into your extension list of Visual Studio because this can literally write the logic that you are looking for very fast for you. But definitely it is not going to replace you as a person. It is not going to replace you as a developer because you are the person who knows which uh, which logic you want to write and you know everything out about what you are going to write in your program. So you can also see that there are some errors that it is which are there into your code. But this if you are a knowledgeable person, if you know how to rectify these errors, then these are going to help you. These tools, the code like the AI tool like Codium is going to help you. It is not going to help you if you are a new learner. If you are knowledgeable, then this is going to help you work faster, much accurate and a much better way. But it is not going to help you if you are a new learner. You have to spend time to learn the basics of programming, to learn the basics of NXOpen. Then this is a tool that is definitely going to be useful for you. There is AI everywhere in today's world. AI is there to help you a lot. Your imagination is only the limit. But if you are ready and if you know how to use AI for your benefit, then you can be a game changer for yourself. Then you can be really a game changer, and it can help you in a immense way. So I hope that you like about this Codeium AI tool and how you can benefit, how you can use in your day-to-day coding to work faster, to work better, and become productive and open developer. I hope that this video is useful and interesting for you. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Here I am introducing a course called C Sharp Essentials for NXOpen Customization and Programming. Enroll now and unlock the power of customization in NX. Don't miss out. If you like this video, then definitely please uh, hit that like button. And if you wanted to receive such video updates from me, then please do subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for now. See you. Bye bye.